everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we integrate Facebook with the NeoDove in a few and a simple steps. So for that, firstly you have to log in into the NeoDove account, and once you're logged in, over a dashboard from the left hand side, you'll find an integration button. You just click on that. Once you clicked on, you will be landed into the integration page, and at the bottom from add new integration, you will be seeing Facebook ads. Just click on that. Once you clicked on, it will ask you a multiple options if you want to create a new campaign or add leads in an existing campaign or add lead based on a set condition. So for as of now, we will be selecting create a new campaign here. Okay, and once selecting, after that I will select the campaign type and I will continue with Facebook. After continuing, it will ask you to log in. So let me log in it with my ID and password. Once logged in, at the bottom you will find a option to select the page of which you want to extract the lead into NeoDove. So I'll select my page and just click on next. So after click on next, like at the top in the added integration, you will be able to see that this Facebook integration has been created. So I will click on this link and it will redirect me to the campaign which I have created for the Facebook part just now. And here, as you can see, there are 0 leads. So like, how can we test whether this integration is successful or not? So for that, we can test this. Okay, and there is a link provided by Facebook Meta for the testing purpose here. I'll just refresh this page once again. Yeah, so this page will automatically fetch the details. Okay, so like I will select my page here and the form, and I will click on a preview form. Once clicked on here, the form will open. You just have to fill the form for the testing purpose. So I'll fill it my details here. Let's check. Okay, I've just randomly put this 10-digit number for the testing purpose, and let's click on submit. Yeah, and now we have to cross this. Once submitted, I just need to click on a track status few more times, and the status of pending will be turned into a successful. Okay, so it's taking time, no worries. Let's go back to NeoDev and refresh this page and check whether it arrived or not. Yeah, so as you can see here, the lead has been created and our integration is successful. So this is a very simple process to follow for the integration of a Facebook into the NeoDev. Thank you.